In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best digital multimeters available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the digital multimeters mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, ANENG MH14 Ground Resistance Tester, Red. The ANENG MH14 is built for professionals dealing with grounding resistance. This compact device features auto-ranging capability for quick, reliable results and a 1999 count LCD for accurate readings. Designed to withstand vibrations and harsh conditions, it's great for field use. Plus, you can power it via batteries or an external adapter, making it reliable for extended work sessions. A solid choice for serious electrical diagnostics at nearly half the original price. Number 4, OWON XDM1241 True RMS Digital Multimeter. The OWON XDM1241 offers precision and versatility, ideal for technicians and engineers. It features a crisp 3.5-inch LCD and captures up to 60 readings per second. With data logging to internal memory and both AC or lithium battery power options, it delivers top-tier performance in any setting. This multimeter is perfect for those who need accurate data and real-time monitoring in one compact tool. A premium pick for serious users looking for reliability. Number 3, UNI-T UT61E True RMS Digital Multimeter. The UNI-T UT61E is a trusted tool among both professionals and hobbyists. With data hold, backlight display, and USB communication, it's ideal for documentation and analysis. Safety is a priority with full input protection, while max, min, relative modes make it great for diagnostics and comparisons. At a reasonable price, this multimeter provides reliable true RMS accuracy for a wide range of electronic applications. Built for field, lab, or bench use. Number 2, ZOYI ZT703S Oscilloscope Multimeter Combo. The ZOYI ZT703S is a dual-purpose marvel, merging oscilloscope and multimeter functions in one sleek unit. With a 50 MHz bandwidth and 280 ms sampling rate, it's ideal for in-depth signal analysis. Dual channels support simultaneous measurements, while the 25,000-character LCD ensures all data is clearly displayed. Perfect for DIYers and engineers who want powerful diagnostics at an affordable price. This device redefines what a budget tool can do. Number 1, FNIRSI DMT99 Advanced Multimeter. The FNIRSI DMT99 is engineered for lab-grade performance at an entry-level price. With 10A current capacity, diode and continuity testing, temperature measurement, and monitoring mode, it's a compact powerhouse. Designed for engineering tasks and continuous monitoring, it combines versatility with value. Whether you're troubleshooting circuits or tracking system performance, the DMT99 offers pro-level features in a budget-friendly package that's hard to beat.